Hey there folks, welcome to the Auto Universe. Now folks, if you have seen those videos or footage of the BMW i3 versus the Chevy Bolt crashing against the wall, both of those cars looks terrible after the crash. But that isn't going to be enough to determine which one is better. Which is why we are going to give you the analysis of those crash tests. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Now, let's just get right into the analysis folks. The all-electric hatchback. This is how the future would look like folks. The road will be filled with these small electric hatchback, electric SUVs, and electric cars. This is just where the world is going towards right now. If an electric car used to be so ugly and weird and has small range, not the case anymore with the BMW i3 and the Chevy Bolt. They are basically siblings. To prove that, let's just get right into the analysis. As usual, we also uses the same crash test report from the IIHS organizations, starting from the top. As you can see here folks, both of these cars earns a good score overall in the crash worthiness sections, except from the BMW i3 on the head restraints and seats only earns an acceptable score. Moving on the crash avoidance and mitigations, on the front crash prevention system, the BMW i3 only earned an advanced score, while the Chevy Bolts earned a superior score. That brought us to the conclusion. The conclusion is apparently the BMW loses this round to the Chevy Bolts, because it got one acceptable score in the crash worthiness, while the Chevy Bolts earns a perfect score. It also doesn't have a headlight section score, so we can't analyze that. But on the front crash prevention system, the Chevy Bolts earn a superior score in the optional system. There you have it folks, the BMW i3 versus the Chevy Bolts. If you have requests on any car that you want to see the comparison of, let me know by leaving a comment down below. See you folks!